Hey, as I promised, this is the very first time we've had a fire in this new forge. So it looks like it's going to be a good one. It works great. Blower runs good. Gets good air. Here you go. We'll take a look at it. In the center of the fire, it's about 2,500 degrees right now. It will literally burn the metal up at this temperature. This is a really good fire. It's got good coal. The system works good. This is a higher air. Now I'm going to cut the air back. You'll see what happens. Okay. Now the air is dropped back. It's settling back in, but it's got a good red hot fire. You start working with this and you work all day long with this stuff. It's done coked up, got a lot of it ready to go. It's almost a perfect fire and a perfect coal. Really excited about this. I'm having a good day today. Good first run on this brand new forge. Yay!